We're talking about tone and mood and the difference between them. It's important to understand the difference so that when a test asks you to identify or understand the importance of these things, you'll know the difference and be able to answer the question correctly. Tone is how the author thinks about his or her subject, is the author's attitude towards the story and the reader. So basically, when we're thinking about the author's voice and the way that they're talking about it, mood is the effect of the writer's word on the readers. It's how the writer's words make us feel. It's associated with the setting. So thinking about if we were there, how would we feel? Or how does this make us feel? How does this situation make us feel? So tone could be positive or negative. It could be sarcastic. It can be neutral as well. So you want to kind of figure out first, do I feel like this is the reader or the writer's attitude is positive, negative, or do I feel like they're being really neutral? They don't really have an attitude towards whatever they're writing about. Remember, it's our author or narrator's attitude. So not necessarily our attitude, but think about like in our book with Star, how sometimes she has an attitude on what's going on, or she has opinions about what's going on versus the actual situation in the story. It could be cynical, which is like bitter and angry. Sympathetic, which is like feeling sad or feeling emotional towards someone. Approving, sarcastic, even objective, like they don't agree with what's going on. How to find tone. You're not going to be able to see it stated. It's not going to be told to you. You're going to have to figure out, look at the descriptions, look at the author's word choice, look at the themes that they're bringing out, and think about what are they thinking about, and how does that affect the story? How are they viewing the story? Mood is the emotion that you feel. So think about what emotions you feel as you go through the text. Think about the situations that they're going through and how it makes you feel versus how they feel. It could be cheerful, it could be frightening, romantic, idyllic. Those are just a few examples. But you're going to think you're going to think about how it makes you feel and the emotions that go along with that. So just to wrap up, mood is how you feel when we're reading this and how the feeling of the situation is versus the author's attitude towards what they're writing.